Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. Happy Wednesday. Today's an exciting day because I am finishing up work for the week, and you might be wondering, it's only Wednesday, but that is because I am taking the rest of this week off for a little vacation or a staycation, I guess you could call it, with my family, and I'm super excited about it. We haven't taken any time off since I think June, and it's very, healthy for your mental health and well-being to take some time off. So even though it's hard as a business owner to take time off, I make the effort to every couple of months. So it's that time. It's October 19th, and like I said, I worked like all morning trying to get everything done because my family and I are leaving tomorrow. So we're going on a road trip to Vermont. We rented an Airbnb and we're going to be staying there from Thursday to Sunday. So October 20th through the 23rd. And we're really excited about it. We've been to Vermont a few times. Living in Connecticut, it's only about a 2-hour drive from us. So we like to go to Vermont in the fall because it's gorgeous with the foliage and everything. So we've been a few times. We've stayed at different hotels, but this time we wanted to rent an Airbnb, just have the whole place to ourselves. So we rented a cabin in the woods, and we're super excited about it. So we're going to be there from tomorrow, which is Thursday, to Sunday. So a few nice cozy fall days, and I'm going to be vlogging for you as well as for myself to have these memories to look back on. So I'm really excited because I've never had my YouTube channel to document trips I've taken until now, so I'm really excited to have this opportunity to document and cherish these memories and take you guys along and share with you. Let me know in a comment below if you're taking any fun trips soon, and if you've been to Vermont, I would love to know. But basically, I wanted to film myself today, kind of like a productive day in my life, prepping for vacation, prepping for time off, so as well as working. So I'm going to be taking you through my day today, showing you my work routine and just the flow of the day, as well as packing and getting ready for my trip to Vermont tomorrow. So I'm taking you guys along. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I'm not sure if I'm going to make today's content a separate vlog or if I'm going to include it with the Vermont vlog. It depends on how much footage I have and how long it is. So we'll see what happens, but I hope you enjoy this productive day in my life, as well as packing and getting ready for my trip. And if I end up filming the actual Vermont vlog separately, I hope you enjoy that as well, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm going to take you along with me today, and I hope you enjoy spending the day with me. Let's get ready for vacation together. Alright, so it's the middle of the day now. I just had lunch. I finished up most of my entrepreneur business client work for the week, so I just created a packing list for the Vermont trip, and I just wanted to show it with you guys. So this is today's daily spread in my Go Getter Girl planner. I love this planner company. You've heard me talk about it in my videos as well as on my planning channel. I'll link that in the description if you want to check it out. Planning is a huge passion of mine, and I'm actually an ambassador for this company. So if you want to check out the website, my link is below under the affiliate links section of my description box. There's a new release happening in November, so new products are coming, but definitely check it out. I love this planner because it has daily spreads, so you can plan out one day on a whole page. I love this for my business. So I just made a little packing list in this blank area here, so you can see these are the things that I'm going to be working on packing for the rest of the day. So it's going to be super cold, but living in New England, I'm used to it. So Vermont's not really much different than where I live in Connecticut. So I'm just packing a bunch of warm things, like my robe, blankets, my clothes, everything I need to get ready, some books, some games. We're going to be spending a lot of time at the house, so I just want to be cozy and just kind of bring things that I like to do in my day-to-day life. So this is my packing list, and I'm going to start packing now, and I'll take you along with me, so let's go. So these are the books I'm bringing. Got a historical romance, Nicholas Sparks, Pumpkinheads. Let's load it in the suitcase.